All right, so I'm going to do this to the best of my ability. Some of you wanted a video, so I'm going to make a quick video on how to solve this worksheet. It's going to be a little jumpy, bear with me. All right, the first thing you need to do is you need to find 2 points on these lines. The best ones to find are definitely this one right here because it is the y-intercept, so it'll serve as 2 functions. One is a point on the line, but also later when you're trying to write the equation, it is the b at the y-intercept. So there's one of the points, and then another one could be right here. And you can kind of see there's a pattern here. So you could find more than 1 point, obviously. Yikes, that one's no good, right here. Okay, hard to do when you're holding it like this. So you can kind of see the stairs being built. And the stairs, first thing you need to recognize is this is a negative slope. It's going down from left to right. It's going down 2 and over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. So that's a slope of down 2 over 1. That's m. We also recognize right off the beginning there, that's the y-intercept, which is 0, 3. So that's b. So when you're writing an equation, you're just simply going to substitute. So one of the videos that I like says write the equation y equals mx plus b, and then below you substitute your m and your b. You're leaving your input and your output alone because those input, right, the x, could be any value you want. You could put anything you want in there. That's why you leave it alone. You don't replace it. And your y, your output, is when you get the answer. So you're going to leave that as y. So y equals, and you're going to substitute this as negative 2x, not negative 2 over 1 because it's kind of a waste of my time. You could put it in that way if you want. And then plus positive 3. So here's your equation for number 1. Number 2, same idea. You want to find the y-intercept here. And then you want to kind of just find your pattern. So here's your rise and here's your run. Okay, and you can kind of see that pattern here too. All right, or here. Okay, so you're rising 2 and running 1, rising 2 and running 1. No, I'm sorry, rising 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3. So be careful, 3, 1. So you're rising 3, running 1, that's just m equals 3, or 3 over 1. B was 0. And again, you write the equation y equals mx plus b, and then you substitute y equals 3x plus 0, or just y equals 3x. Remember that that's kind of a waste of your time. So this is an answer as well. Okay, so that's how you do the first 3. I'll skip 3 and get down here to number 4, 5, 6. 4 is just simple. It says what earnings will produce $225 in savings. So you just got to be careful. Savings is down here. So they want to know what earnings for $225, which is right here. So you simply take the line all the way up. So you hit this point on the line, and you come over and you realize that it's $1,000. Simple. Okay, 400 bucks. So that's the opposite. So if you have an earnings of 400, come over to the line and then down. See, that's $75. What's the slope? So they're asking you, what's the rise over the run? So you start here at 100 and you rise 100. Notice this gap. You're not rising 1, you're rising 100, and you're running 25. See this? 25. Rise 100, run 25. Rise